Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and let me update you with Facebook news. Now, News 247 Mzansi Update decided to break the news and say hashtag Skeem Saam roll alert. Gomorrah actor Sicelo Buthelezi, aka Teddy, aka Teddy Pendergrass, the guy that we liked the most on Gomorrah, is joining SABC1 Skeem Saam. This is to shake things up at Tafelup and make sure that Tafelup is on its toes. Guys, I don't know when his debut will be. However, we are ready to experience Teddy on Skeem Saam. Will he be a Tafelup high school student, or will a guy literally jump and go to TEF University and shake things up? Mola lebo Clement, lebo Salamina. Hey, I don't know, but I'm ready for Teddy, and I hope you are too. But while you're at it, please do like, share, and subscribe.